Video going out here with this dude that that impregnated seven different women, right? And this dude he's like in his 30s, right? Listen, it's just all bad. Let me just leave it like that. It's just all bad, man. It's bad. Like it's bad on the. Check this shit out. Come to find out, one of the women, she was married. And guess what? She couldn't have an abortion. I'm not an advocate for abortion, but she couldn't even do it. Why? Because she's married. And the husband's going to be looking her side eye like, what you getting an abortion for if that's my kid? So she couldn't even do it. So her ass was stuck. So now, when you look at that, right, who do I blame? Of course, the first person I'm going to blame is the dude, right? Because he was just being a demon. He ain't care about nothing. He was just going to do it because they let him. Now, this brings us to the second point. The second point is simply this, right? Why did y'all let him? Y'all women, y'all got all kinds of contraceptive, right? You got birth control, you got whatever. You could have told that dude to wear a condom, but y'all chose not to. Why? And this is something that Kevin Samuels said all the time. He said, women, right, if a child is born, it's because that woman wants that child to be born, right? Doesn't want an after pill. There's all kinds of stuff, right? So, yes, I blame the dude. He's a complete scumbag, and I hope they find his ass, right? But number two, I blame the women too.